Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to make money on an eBay account. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, and make sure that your eBay is fully updated to the latest version so you can actually get access to all the new features. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to my screen and go ahead to my browser. If you want to make money if you want tips to make money on eBay, choose the right products, optimize your eBay listing, and then master eBay's search algorithm, and then provide an excellent customer service. Leverage eBay promotions, manage your inventory efficiently, shipping and packaging, make sure that you actually do that. Utilize eBay's global market, selling internationally basically, and basically you're gonna be able to actually get you're gonna get the opportunity to profit from eBay. So choose the right product basically, and selecting the right products is to sell the linchpin of any successful eBay businesses. And it's not just about what you want to sell, but rather what the market demands. Keep an eye on trending products. A product can offer insights into what consumers are currently looking for. You have the second option, optimize your eBay listing. And crafting successfully eBay listing goes beyond just describing what you're selling, right? And here you're gonna see the master eBay search algorithms, and basically you're gonna search for keywords that allows you to get more audience or get more engagement to your content, and provide excellent customer service in the vast marketplace of eBay, where numerous sellers may offer similar products. Excellent customer service can be distinguishable factor, and setting you apart from the crowd. And consistently delivering top-notch service not only builds trust among buyers, but also cultivates loyalty, leading to repeat business and increased sales. So that's the article that you need to read, and there is more tips and actual guide to make money on eBay. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.